official World University Games will be hosted by China's Chengdu later this month. This is Sunny Zhou with Xinhua, and I've just traveled over 1,000 miles from Beijing to this land of abundance to experience how the vibrant city is opening to sports extravaganza. Let's go! The Chengdu Yuniversiad is to be held from July 28th to August 8th, and a total of 49 venues will be used for training and competitions during the Games, comprising a combination of newly constructed facilities and renovated existing ones. I have visited several venues to see how they made preparations for the coming Chengdu Yuniversiad. This is the Dong'an Lake Sports Park, a new landmark in the east of Chengdu. Several main venues of the Chengdu Yuniversiad are located here. The Dong'an Lake Sports Park features a large outdoor stadium and 3 enclosed gymnasiums. The opening ceremony of the Chengdu Yuniversiad is to be held at the silver frisbee-shaped stadium. Its dome is decorated with more than 12,000 pieces of colorful glazed glass, depicting the pattern of the sun and motto birds, which represents the combination of historical symbol and futuristic structure. This is the venue for artistic gymnastic events during the Yuniversiad. The multi-purpose gymnasium is the biggest among the 3 venues lying next to the main stadium. It can cater to various purposes. For instance, it can change from an iced rink to a basketball court within 6 hours. The 18,000 seats multi-purpose gymnasium can also hold basketball, ice hockey games, and even concerts of the Yuniversiad. The gymnasium also adopted other sustainable designs, which fully implement the green concept of the Yuniversiad.
用了很多的那些节能啊、环保啊类的一些材料进行一个建设。它这个场馆呢，它是没有开空调的，目前开了新风，我们比外面的温度都要低2到3度以上，所以说不用开空调。人流很少的时候，它会应该有一个自动的一个进行电力的一个节能，就是会关闭一些通道灯啊，还有一些设备的一些那个电力，这些会做一个节能。
Next to the gymnasium is the aquatic center, which will serve as a competition, warm-up and training venue for swimming events during the Chengdu Yuniversiad. This is a top-level swimming pool meeting the standards of Olympic Games. I've also learned that it's equipped with a very smart system to ensure the quality of the pool water.
它是一个全新风系统，就是不会使用到整个空调的这个整个的制冷。我们的水温度的话是一直控制在26度到28度，它也是为了运动员他能够一直保持一个身体的一个良好的机能。然后室内的温度呢是控制在28度到30摄氏度。
Apart from many eco-friendly designs inside the gymnasiums, the sports park also runs a rainwater harvesting facility that will fully recycled rainwater to irrigate the entire park's green areas.
雨水回收系统的一个地方，然后在这个地方里面，我们可以看到，就是我们会有2台加压泵，然后把相关的那个外围的雨水呢，就是会出到我们这个地方里面来。我们这个水箱的话呢，整体的那个收集的雨水量的话，大概是在30个立方，然后30个立方的话呢，会供应到我们整个万湖体育公园的那个相关的绿化的一个喷淋上面。
Across the Dong'an Lake is the main media center of the Chengdu Yuniversiad. Bamboo slopes, embroidery and various traditional specialties. These are what you can see at main media center of the Yuniversiad. The main media center offers a series of traditional Chinese culture activities and performances, such as Chinese Kung Fu, Shu embroidery, sugar painting, and much more. It comprises the main press center and the International Broadcasting Center.
我这里是媒体工作间，它位于主新闻中心的1层。我们这里有媒体的工位，一共有340个，然后还会有42台壁挂的电视和2台由15平方 LED 组成的电视大屏，供记者在赛事的时候观看到直播过来的信号。
In addition to providing a convenient working environment, the media center also has a restaurant that serves a wide range of dishes that can satisfy the taste buds of people from all over the world, featuring the unique Sichuan cuisine known for its spicy and flavorful dishes. The city of Chengdu has embraced the idea of energy saving and low carbon to ensure an environmentally friendly summer Universiad. A total of 36 existing gymnasiums and stadiums in the city have been renovated and converted into game venues. Green construction materials have been used and energy-saving LED lights have replaced conventional illuminations at all game venues. As Chengdu has lit up to welcome delegations from around the world, we hope they could achieve even better results at this summer Universiad.